Hey guys and gals, I want to show you guys my ATV project that I'm going to be working on, and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. This is a 1997 Honda Recon two-wheel drive. This was down the street from me at a neighbor's house. They had it out front for sale for $100. Now this has been a while ago, but I couldn't pass it up. It does not run, and you'll see why in just a second. It doesn't run. It's because it doesn't have an engine or a transmission in it. Other than that, it's complete. It is a little beat up. I guess it has been used. A lot of people, they put they convert this over to a chain drive. This is a drive shaft, so I'm going to be using the drive shaft, and I'm going to like I said, repower this. I've done some research, and to me what would be very interesting would be to have an electric vehicle here on my homestead. The ability to have a vehicle that's not relying on gas or diesel, and something I could just plug into my solar array. Of course, I need a larger array if this were to become electric, but like I said, it has a certain intrigue to it. But I've done the research, and to get the level of performance I want and the range, it's going to cost around $8,000, and there will be some extras too, I'm sure you have to buy. But I'm probably just going to go with a regular gas engine. I'm going to do something a little different that I haven't seen out there on the internet. Also, I'm going to be adding a front loader to this thing. Now, having an ATV with a front loader that can lift, say maybe 500 or 600 pounds, that is going to be extremely useful, and I'll see a lot of utility here around the homestead. Now, I have that over there, and that is an awesome machine, and it does big work. But getting it up around my house or someone else's house, it's not exactly that controllable, and it can do some damage. Now, this right here, with a small front loader, I can get in and out just about anywhere and get some work done. So that's what the video is, guys. This is just part one, and we will do some type of little different repower that you don't normally see on the internet. Anyway, I haven't seen it yet. Maybe someone already has done it. I don't know. But I'll be taking y'all along, and that's what the next video will be. Okay. That's it. Out.